Ladies and gentlemen, here is another update on this kitchen renovation. You can see that they replaced the lights in here. It used to be one dome light, now it is a bunch of recessed lights. In this room, I mean, they did a lot in here today. I mean, an outlet is going in, another outlet is going in too. And they replaced the switches. Now it's those rocker switches instead of.
They were in here an awful long time. What did they do?
They fixed the light there.
Oh, they put the lights in.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. So what happened to this light fixture?
Got taken down.
Golly, I spent all day doing that.
Yes, the dome light that was in there for years is gone, and it's replaced with these recessed lights around the room. The light fixture used to be in the middle of this room, just like this fan. Just like this fan light unit is in the middle of this section of the room. That light fixture used to be in the middle section of this part of the room. Now it is down and there's recessed lights on the sides instead of in the center.
Like, what's different?
I like it.
The lights.
I do like it.
You're right.
Yeah, they're the bright LEDs. I wonder if they're dimmable.
I mean,
Oh look, rocker panels.
they are
Now,
dimmable.
Are they gonna put?
They are dimmable. Good.
Are they gonna put dangling lights here or not? I can't remember. We decided
I
about
can't remember. That's actually nice. I like that.
that. They are dimmable.
Yep.
Yes.
And they modern. Look at this, Alex.
Instead of
Oh, good.
instead of switches like this, they put in the rocker switches, just like in a hotel. Just like in a hotel.
Just like in a hotel. Nice.
So obviously we're gonna.
Oh, we have a surface. We have a surface we can work with today.
I guess they're done.
Hey, dogs all around.
That'd be nice and bright too for your guest area, which will also have its.
Yeah.
What do you think, Travis?
Will be blocked by the desk. Although I guess we're kind of shocked now that you.
I like.
And instead of switches like this, they have these rocker switches. So this type of light switch is like old school.
Oh, look, Alex, they put rocker switches over here, too.
Yes.
They're putting in the junction boxes.
Yes, rocker switches. I mean, instead of switches like this that we are used to seeing in a lot of homes across this country, and businesses too. I mean, this is what you used to seeing across this country, and many American homes have switches like this, the simple on and off switch. I mean. But, I mean, we still have a light switch like this in our house. I mean, this is the type of switch that many homes in this country have. And businesses too have switches like this. I mean, your home probably has a switch like this too. Like a lot of homes. I mean, This is the common type of light switch I see when I walk into many homes. I see switches like this in many houses I walk into. And I don't mess with them. I can do whatever I want to my light switch, but if it's a light switch in a public building or in another person's house, I cannot mess with it. Treat light switches that are not mine like fire alarm pull stations. You know you're not supposed to pull fire alarms in public buildings when there isn't a fire, or else you could go to jail. It is against the law. I mean, if you touch a light switch that is not yours, you are going to get in big trouble, and people of the building and the homeowner is going to be mad at you. I mean, if it's an emergency light and you touch the switch and you turn off an emergency light, you are going to get arrested because emergency lights are life safety equipment. Just like this fire alarm and that smoke detector up there on the ceiling. So never ever mess with emergency lighting. Bye.